Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. There are so many cybersecurity warnings every week, it can be really hard to keep up. So today, I'm making it easy for you. These are the 3 most common cybersecurity mistakes made by businesses like yours. The first is not being strict enough with employee privilege rights. When someone changes roles, their data access rights should change too. Businesses are quick to give people access to data, but forget to remove it. It's the same when someone leaves, close their accounts and revoke their rights. The tighter your team's privileges, the harder it is for cybercriminals to install malware. It also slows down something called lateral movement. This is the second most common mistake. It's where criminals get access to one system, perhaps something that's not mission critical, but from there they can move on to another system and another. Ultimately, they're aiming for your email and bank account. The final mistake is not taking this seriously. Businesses that work closely with their IT partner to prepare and protect are less likely to be attacked in the first place and will be back on their feet faster if the worst does happen. When did you last review your cybersecurity? If it's more than a year ago, you really should give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.